We also have global labels. So if I select global labels here, you can see lots of labels that are already created and set. What these labels relate to is Cryptio automatically labeling certain transactions where we know what it is. This saves the user time and limits the amount of time they need to spend labeling their own transactions. For example, if we know that you send funds to a certain smart contract, we could know automatically what that transaction would need to be labeled, knowing what it is. For example, here, we know that we can automatically recognize Filecoin rewards and Filecoin burn fees. Further down, we can see other labels that could automatically be identified. By integrating many smart contracts used in popular DeFi applications, we can automatically label a number of DeFi transactions. Another example here is a Kraken fee.